Hey guys, welcome to a new movie from this Yamaha outboard from 2010. 4-stroke HAP cylinder. And I will show you around because the current status is, well, I wouldn't say horrible, but there is some maintenance happening. I had a shiftlink issue here, and actually this was fully stuck. It wouldn't move, couldn't move. So there was one thing that could cause the issue, and that was that this part was too high up. Why the pin that's underneath here in the gearbox couldn't reach it anymore. So it wouldn't go in gear or out of gear because it was stuck at the top. So now it can move freely, but that is because I took out the gearbox. So actually this is the gearbox, and here we see the clutch, or well, this pushes us in gear or out of gear. And you see this lever here, it will move. So if I push backwards on the shift link, and that's actually this one, if I push backwards, it will go downwards and push this pin in. And that is actually your whole gearbox. So I took this out because then this part could move freely again. And that is the case at the moment. And if you look inside the gearbox, there you can see that it will work again. And you see some wear in the inside, on the inside. Because this lever pushes the thing up or pushes the thing down, and that's why it goes in gear or not. These had some O-rings, they were completely gone, so I bought the new O-rings, new seals I mean, and I've got some extra oil, because I need to renew the oil, because everything went out, of course. And yeah, for the rest, it looks kind of sad here. I need to change the spark plugs, and I just did the carburetor. So the carburetor is fine again in the ultrasonic bath, and yeah, this episode we will build it back together. So the first ring is on. The second one I will try one-handed, but I do feel this is not going to work. So let's see if it will work. Voila. Okay, this never happens, but hey, there we are. So those rings are in. I'm gonna spray a little bit of, let me show you the Vaseline spray, because this can use some lubricate. Oh, there we go, the other side. So this is all nice and ready to be pushed in. This is actually an easy job. I need to make sure that the lever is down, a little bit down. If you look inside, the lever is there, and this one just goes in the whole part, and then 2 new screws will do the job. I need 2 hands for this one, because this is very close and are very narrow, and I need to push it in. 1 sec. So I was actually trying to hammer it a little bit, but it didn't work out because it pops out every time. So I tried to screw in the original screws, and I'm gonna get the right tools in order to make this happen. So we'll switch off for a sec and then try to get this done. Okay, this does the job because I'm screwing it in, and as you can see, the orange part will be less and less and less. So that's good news, because this takes some time, and then it will be in. And we're back, and as you can see, it's completely in. This literally took 2 minutes, 1 minute, so it's a really easy job and you can do it yourself. And shift linkage will work. Again, as you can see, it's nice and stiff, and it will push that gear, the shift link down, and that's why the lever goes in or out. So actually the whole problem is solved. Yay! This is already new, so I'm actually ready to renew this part, and that's very easy. You just open the loop, lubricate, or actually gear oil. You put it in and you push, push, push until it comes out from this hole. And you push and you push, and 2.5 bottle go in. So I will swap hands and put the camera away for a sec. Okay, as you can see, it's coming out. So I now need to put the screws back, and then we're set. When the first screw is back, you can relax because it won't drip out all the time. So we now push this one back, and then we screw it in. Kind of difficult with one hand, but we will manage to. Okay, that's tight. And the second one, this is actually the vacuum one. So if you take this one out, nothing really happens until you unscrew this one, and then air can come through and every oil falls out. So when you have to unscrew this because you want to renew the seal, that's actually possible to do so without losing all the oil if this one keeps in. So that's fine. We take a bit of brake cleaner and then we're spraying and wipe it off. And actually this is the whole trick. Ta-da! So I need to clean more, but yeah, this was the first job, and now I need to mount it there, but it will be tomorrow another day. So this was the first part. Hope you liked it.